Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic for anyone ready to step into the world of high-performance motorcycles, the best superbikes for beginners. While superbikes are traditionally known for their extreme power, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive performance, not all of them are suitable for first-time riders. Beginners often face challenges such as managing high horsepower, heavy weight, and sensitive throttle response, which can make riding intimidating or even dangerous. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide highlighting superbikes that balance the thrill of a high-performance machine with approachable handling, safety features, and confidence-inspiring ergonomics. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which superbikes allow you to experience speed and precision without compromising control, letting you grow as a rider while enjoying one of the most exhilarating forms of motorcycling. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a superbike often recommended for beginners who want a motorcycle that feels sporty yet remains easy to control. It combines lightweight handling, approachable power, and aggressive styling, making it an ideal entry point into the world of sport bikes. Kawasaki designed the Ninja 400 to give new riders real supersport excitement without the intimidation of larger, more powerful machines. Powering the Ninja 400 is a 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable performance. While it doesn't produce the overwhelming horsepower of 600cc or liter-class bikes, it offers more than enough punch for highway cruising, spirited weekend rides, and even beginner track days. Its linear throttle response is especially helpful for new riders because it reduces the risk of sudden wheel spin or unintended acceleration, allowing riders to build confidence gradually. From an ergonomic standpoint, the Ninja 400 balances comfort and sportiness very well. The slightly forward-leaning riding position keeps the experience engaging without being too aggressive for daily use. Its relatively low seat height and compact chassis make it easier for most riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground. Weighing just over 365 pounds fully fueled, the bike feels nimble in traffic, parking situations, and tight corners, while the suspension tuning remains forgiving over bumps, yet communicative enough for learning proper riding technique. Handling is one of the Ninja 400's strongest advantages. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced geometry provide confidence-inspiring cornering and braking, supported by a reliable ABS-equipped braking system. Visually, the bike carries the sharp, aggressive look of Kawasaki's higher-end Ninja lineup, complete with sporty fairings and modern LED lighting. Combined with a clear digital display and straightforward technology, the Ninja 400 stands out as one of the best beginner sport bikes, offering real performance, manageable control, and the look of a true supersport machine. Yamaha R3. The Yamaha R3 is a beginner-friendly superbike that strikes an excellent balance between performance, style, and accessibility. As part of Yamaha's well-known R-Series lineup, the R3 carries strong racing DNA while remaining approachable for new riders. Its overall design philosophy focuses on giving riders a genuine sport bike experience without the intimidation that often comes with larger displacement machines. At its heart is a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers smooth and predictable power. The throttle response is linear and forgiving, allowing beginners to practice acceleration and throttle control with confidence. While it may be smaller than 600cc bikes, the R3 still provides enough performance for highway cruising, daily commuting, and even occasional beginner track days, making it a versatile entry point into the sport bike world. Ergonomically, the R3 offers a sporty yet comfortable riding position. The seat height of 30.7 inches and its slim, lightweight body, just under 373 pounds fully fueled, make the bike easy to manage at low speeds and when stopping. The slightly forward-leaning posture keeps the ride engaging without putting excessive pressure on the wrists or back. Combined with its responsive chassis and adjustable suspension, the R3 delivers precise, confidence-inspiring handling that helps new riders develop proper cornering and braking skills. Visually, the R3 carries the aggressive styling of Yamaha's flagship R Series models, featuring sharp bodywork, full fairings, and modern LED lighting that give it a true race bike presence. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, essential information, and the slip assist clutch on some models makes gear changes smoother and reduces hand fatigue. Overall, the Yamaha R3 stands out as one of the best beginner sport bikes, offering manageable performance, agile handling, and premium styling in a package that helps new riders build skill and confidence safely. KTM RC390. The KTM RC390 is a lightweight, aggressive sport bike that brings race-inspired performance to the beginner category. Known for its sharp design and engaging ride, KTM built the RC390 for riders who want real sport bike excitement without jumping straight into high-displacement machines. It offers a compelling mix of manageable power, responsive handling, and confidence-friendly ergonomics, making it an excellent stepping stone for new riders. At its core is a 373cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine producing around 44 horsepower. While modest compared to larger superbikes, the power delivery is linear and predictable, allowing beginners to practice throttle control and acceleration safely. The engine is particularly responsive at lower RPMs, which is helpful in city riding and stop-and-go traffic, yet it still has enough top-end performance for comfortable highway cruising and spirited weekend rides. The RC390's lightweight chassis and compact dimensions make it highly maneuverable. Weighing just under 350 pounds fully fueled, the bike feels nimble in tight corners, urban environments, and parking situations. Its approximately 32-inch seat height and slightly forward-leaning, race-inspired posture promote proper body positioning without putting excessive strain on the rider. Combined with well-placed foot pegs and handlebars, the bike offers an engaged yet manageable riding experience for beginners. Handling is one of the RC390's biggest highlights. Equipped with WP upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, the bike delivers crisp feedback and solid stability while still absorbing road imperfections. The ABS-equipped braking system provides strong, reliable stopping power, and features like the digital display and slipper clutch on some models add usability without overwhelming new riders. Overall, the KTM RC390 stands out as one of the most exciting beginner sport bikes, blending sharp styling, agile performance, and confidence-building control in a highly rewarding package. Kawasaki Ninja 250. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 is widely regarded as one of the best entry-level sport bikes, offering a balanced mix of lightweight handling, approachable power, and iconic ninja styling. It has long been a benchmark for beginners who want the excitement of a supersport without the intimidation of high horsepower. The bike is designed to help new riders build confidence while still delivering a genuinely fun and engaging riding experience. Powering the Ninja 250 is a 249cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces smooth and predictable performance. The power delivery is friendly and controllable, especially in the low to mid RPM range, which is ideal for beginners learning throttle control in traffic and through corners. Despite its modest displacement, the bike is capable of maintaining highway speeds and handling spirited rides, giving new riders enough performance to grow into without feeling overwhelmed. One of the Ninja 250's biggest strengths is its beginner-friendly ergonomics and lightweight chassis. Weighing just over 375 pounds, fully fueled, and featuring a seat height of around 30 inches, the bike is easy to manage at low speeds and when stopped. The slightly forward-leaning riding position keeps the experience sporty while remaining comfortable for daily use. Its nimble nature makes city riding, parking, and tight cornering much less intimidating for newer riders. Handling on the Ninja 250 is precise yet forgiving. The suspension setup, telescopic front forks paired with a rear monoshock, provides a smooth ride while still offering enough feedback for learning proper cornering technique. Reliable disc brakes, often paired with ABS on newer models, deliver predictable stopping power that boosts rider confidence. With its aggressive sport bike styling, clear digital display, and user-friendly controls, the Ninja 250 remains one of the most recommended beginner superbikes, offering an ideal platform for developing real-world riding skills safely and enjoyably.
Honda CBR 500R.
Rounding out the list of beginner-friendly superbikes is the Honda CBR 500R, a motorcycle that delivers an excellent balance of power, comfort, and approachable handling. Unlike smaller displacement bikes, the CBR 500R gives new riders a taste of mid-class sport bike performance without the intimidation of leader-class machines. It's designed to grow with the rider, offering enough performance to stay exciting while remaining forgiving for those still building their skills. At the heart of the CBR 500R is a 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces smooth, linear power. The delivery is predictable and beginner-friendly, allowing riders to practice acceleration, cornering, and highway riding with confidence. Its accessible mid-range torque makes merging and climbing inclines feel effortless, yet the overall power remains manageable, making the bike an ideal stepping stone before moving up to more aggressive sport bikes. Ergonomically, the CBR 500R strikes a smart balance between sporty and comfortable. With a seat height of about 30.9 inches and a slightly forward-leaning handlebar position, the bike feels engaging without causing excessive fatigue on longer rides. The foot peg placement supports proper body positioning during cornering while still being comfortable enough for daily commuting. This combination makes the bike especially appealing for beginners who want sport bike feel without sacrificing ride comfort. Handling on the CBR 500R is stable, precise, and confidence-inspiring. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock provide a smooth ride while still giving useful road feedback for skill development. Reliable disc brakes, typically paired with ABS, offer strong and predictable stopping power. With its sleek sport bike styling, clear digital instrumentation, and smooth clutch operation, the Honda CBR 500R stands out as a well-rounded beginner machine, one that allows riders to build real-world experience while enjoying the performance and presence of a true sport bike. And there you have it, the best superbikes for beginners in 2026. From the lightweight and nimble Kawasaki Ninja 400 to the race-inspired Yamaha R3, the agile and aggressive KTM RC390, the iconic and approachable Kawasaki Ninja 250, and finally the balanced and versatile Honda CBR 500R. Each of these bikes offers a combination of manageable power, confidence-inspiring handling, and beginner-friendly ergonomics. These motorcycles are designed to give new riders the thrill of high-performance sport bikes while keeping safety, comfort, and skill development at the forefront. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these beginner superbikes would you choose for your first ride, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, or let us know if there's another bike you think deserves a spot on this list. Your input not only helps us, but also helps fellow riders who are just starting their journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews, buying guides, and rider tips. We'll continue bringing you content that helps both beginners and experienced riders navigate the world of motorcycles, from reviews and comparisons to expert advice and riding strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.